The IB ACIO 2025 exam is a highly competitive examination conducted by the Intelligence Bureau, IB, under the Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA, for the Assistant Central Intelligence Officer Grade 2 executive post. The selection process involves 3 tiers. Tier 1, Objective Type Written Exam, 100 marks. Tier 2, Descriptive Paper, 50 marks. Tier 3, Interview, 100 marks. Here's a detailed breakdown of the syllabus for each tier. IB ACIO 2025 Tier 1, MCQ Test, Syllabus. Tier 1 is an objective type test with 100 multiple choice questions, carrying 1 mark each. There is a negative marking of a quarter mark for each incorrect answer. The duration of the exam is 60 minutes, 1 hour. The 5 sections covered in Tier 1 are: Current Affairs, General Studies, Numerical Aptitude, Quantitative Aptitude, Reasoning Logical Aptitude, English Language. Current Affairs. National and international current events, last 5 to 6 months are crucial. Important news. Schemes. Awards. Sports. Appointments, etc. 2. General Studies. History, Indian history, ancient, medieval, modern, world history, basics. Geography, Indian geography, world geography, basics, Indian. Polity and Constitution, Preamble, Fundamental Rights and Duties, DPSP, Parliament, Judiciary, Constitutional Bodies, Non-Constitutional Bodies, President, Prime Minister, Chief Minister, Governor, etc. Economy and Finance, Basic Economic Concepts, Indian Economy, Budget, Banking Awareness, etc. General Science, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, up to 10th standard. Science and Technology, Recent Advancements, Important Discoveries, Space Technology, Defense Technology. Static GK, Important Days, Books and Authors, Firsts in India World, National Symbols, Indian Cities and their Nicknames, Famous Personalities, Major Rivers, Waterfalls, etc. Security, Threats of India, Cultural Diversity of the Country, Emergency Trends, Miscellaneous. 3. Numerical Aptitude, Quantitative Aptitude. Number systems, including whole numbers, decimals, fractions. LCM and HCF. Percentages. Ratio and proportion. Averages. Profit and loss, discount. Simple and compound interest. Time and work, pipes and cisterns. Time, speed and distance, boats and streams. Mensuration, area, volume of 2D and 3D figures. Algebra, fundamental arithmetical operations, algebraic equations. Use of tables and graphs, data interpretation. Age-related problems. Missing numbers. Prices and expenditure. Problems. Series completion. Basic trigonometry, identities, heights and distances. Geometry, triangle, circle, polygon, tangent. Statistics, operations research and linear programming, differential geometry, dynamics, essential mathematics, calculus, real analysis, more advanced topics, focus on foundational understanding. 4. Reasoning Logical Aptitude. Alphanumeric series. Analogies. Artificial language. Blood relations. Calendars. Cause and effect. Clocks. Coding decoding. Data sufficiency. Decision making. Directions. Input output. Odd one out. Puzzles, seating arrangement, order and ranking, character puzzles. Statement and assumptions. Statement and conclusions. verbal and non-verbal reasoning, completion of patterns, classifications, chart logic, image analysis, logical sequence of words, paper cutting and folding, embedded figures, figure formation and analysis, matrix, cube and dice, mirror image, water image. 5. English language. Grammar, tenses, articles, voice, active-passive, narration, direct-indirect speech, nouns, verbs, adjectives, clauses. Vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, one-word substitution, idioms and phrases. Error spotting. Fill in the blanks. Sentence improvement correction. Sentence rearrangement, para jumbles. Reading comprehension, passages, verbal comprehension. Spellings correction detecting misspelt words. IB ACIO 2025 Tier 2, Written Test, Syllabus. Tier 2 is a descriptive paper of 50 marks, with a duration of 60 minutes, 1 hour. It assesses your writing and comprehension skills. Essay writing, 30 marks. Candidates will be required to write an essay on a given topic, often related to current affairs, socio-political, or economic issues. English comprehension and precise writing, 20 marks. English comprehension, you will be given a passage and asked to answer questions based on it, evaluating your understanding and interpretation. Precise writing, you will need to summarize a given passage concisely and clearly, demonstrating your ability to extract key information. IB ACIO 2025 Tier 3, Interview, Syllabus. The interview round carries 100 marks and assesses the candidate's personality, communication skills, general awareness, clarity of thought, and overall suitability for a role in the Intelligence Bureau. Candidates may also be subject to a psychometric aptitude test as part of the interview process. Key preparation tips. Understand the exam pattern, familiarize yourself with the question types, marking scheme, and time limits for each tier. Create a study schedule, allocate dedicated time for each subject based on its weightage and your strengths/weaknesses. Refer to quality study material, use recommended books and reliable online resources. Practice regularly, solve previous year's question papers and take mock tests to improve speed and accuracy. Focus on conceptual clarity, understand the basic concepts rather than just memorizing. Stay updated with current affairs, read newspapers, magazines, and reliable online sources daily. Improve writing skills. For Tier 2, practice essay writing and precise writing regularly. Work on communication skills. For the interview, focus on clear communication and confidence. The official notification released on 14th July 2025 confirmed 3,717 vacancies for the ACIO Grade 2 executive post. The online application process starts on 19th July 2025 and ends on 10th August 2025.